Hello and welcome to the Walgreens iOS app tutorial. Here's the main screen of the app. I just want to point out some of the very handy features. First I'll start with the pharmacy. Here inside the pharmacy portion of this app you can see that you have some options: refill from account, refill by scan, refill for family member, and transfer prescription, as well as a few others. You can get to most of these other features from within the main screen as well. This is the refill by scan. Very simple to use. When you open it, it will turn on the camera and you find the barcode on the prescription and then scan it, and it will show that it's been successfully scanned along with the barcode number. The next feature that I want to point out is the photo feature. This can be very handy. We all know that we love to take photos on our iPhones, but generally that's where they just end up staying. But sometimes we like to print the photos from our iPhones, and this is a great, easy way to do that. Once inside the Photos icon, this is what it will look like. It shows you that you can print from Facebook albums, Instagram albums, as well as albums that you have on your phone as well. In this case, we have family, the Porters, and so on. Once an album, you can see that you can select individual photos with the red check mark, as you can see. Once you have selected all the photos that you want, towards the bottom of the screen it says print to Walgreens. You need to tap that icon, and then it's going to ask you which size you'd like them printed in and how many prints. If you have a coupon code, you can also enter that here. Once you're ready, just tap next, and now it's going to ask you which store you'd like to print the photos at. Generally, I suppose you will choose the closest one to you. After that, it asks you to input your name and information so that they have the details to contact you when they're done. And after you're all finished with that, just tap submit, and the prints are off and you can pick them up when they are done. The next feature I'll point out is just the store locator. I guess this will be mostly handy when you are away from home, traveling to an unfamiliar place, and maybe you need to find a pharmacy or just want to find the nearest Walgreens. So if you tap the store locator icon, it will show you a map of all the nearby Walgreens. And even from there, if you tap the Walgreens, it will probably open up the Maps app where you can get turn-by-turn directions. I wanted to point out this other feature that I believe can be very handy. It's the pill reminder. If you have a lot of prescriptions that you take on a daily and weekly basis that you need help reminding with reminders to take those pills, here you can add reminders for daily or weekly or specific times of what pills that you need to take. And just to point out, this is what it looks like on the iPad view. So everything works exactly the same, it just the menu looks a little different, as you can see here. The pharmacy icon, photos, store locator, and so on. One important detail to just point out: the iPad app does not offer the pill reminder feature for some reason. So if you do not have an iPhone, this feature will not be available to you. Thanks for listening and watching.